Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update from my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought to you yet interesting topic which is usually a subject of lot of confusion, concern and challenge for a lot of women. And as the title suggests, it is about skincare routines. So I thought sharing my perspective, sharing my routine, sharing my take on how I take care of my skin, I thought it would help a lot of you women out there to understand what is exactly skincare. Like, how do you exactly care for your skin? What should your routine be? And what are the things that are extremely important and what are the things that you can skip? You know, there tend to be a lot of gimmicky products in the market these days. Like, I've seen so many brands come up with so many products. It's just more confusing than helpful. That's what I personally feel. And I have struggled myself throughout these years to figure out what exactly should I be doing in order to take care of my skin. So what I'm going to share today is definitely tried and tested, because these are the products that work on my skin, have been working on my skin for a while now. And I completely vouch for them. But again, that is my personal opinion. So none of these products are sponsored, and these are the products that have worked for me over the years. So I would like you to use this video as a point of guideline to set your skincare routines. You need not necessarily buy the same products, but it will generally give you like an idea as to what are the products that you must have in your skincare routine. I'm going to make this video a healthy mix of home DIY remedies as well as things, cosmetic products that I buy from the stores, so that you have like a good balance of both. So if this video is of your interest in any way, please do watch till the end. Okay, first thing first, skin is an extremely important part of our body. It is the largest organ of our body, so to say. And when I say skin, I just don't mean the facial skin. I mean your entire body skin. So it is extremely important to keep your skin hydrated, number one. And the only way to do is to drink a lot of water. I cannot emphasize on this enough. I have mentioned this point in a couple of other videos as well, because I really mean it when I say that water is the most essential part of skincare. In terms of external things that you can do to your skin to take care of it, I would first like to start with my daily skincare routine. I use this brand called SK-II. I only discovered SK-II about 2 years ago when I was living in Singapore, and it is the most miraculous thing that has ever happened to me. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is SK-II right here, and this is the facial cleanser that I use from SK-II. This is a face wash. It's a foaming face wash. So I only wash my face with this, and it is so good, I can't even tell you. I have combination skin, and when I moved into Singapore about 2 years ago, I had very bad skin. Like, I had breakouts, and most of it was scars from the breakouts, like mostly acne scars. And I was looking for something which would take care of most of my scars and generally like keep my skin healthy and glowing. So I was introduced to this, and I haven't gone back ever since. It is one of the most expensive products. I would definitely have to mention that it is not cheap. I till late source it from Singapore, or when I'm traveling, I usually find these stores in duty-free shopping. So I usually stock it up from there. I have someone carry it from me whenever they travel from Singapore or from Japan and things like that. I know it's quite a tedious thing to maintain your skincare routines with brands which are not easily available, but I am ready to do that for my skin. Like, I'm ready to spend that money because this brand has really worked for me. So this is the face wash, and it is really good. It's called SK-II Facial Treatment Gentle Cleanser. After I use this, I usually use this when I'm in shower, and then I come out of shower and I like to tone my skin. so I use a toner. So they have this toner called Facial Treatment Clear Lotion. That's what this is called, but it is a toner. And what this does is it locks the pores, it closes the open pores and kind of reduces the visibility of pores. So what happens is it does not allow dirt to settle into the pores once you wash your face, so it kind of helps with that. It's a great toner. I'm going to give you an alternative for this toner as well in a bit, but let me just quickly run you through my routines first and then I'll get to that. Then they have this thing called as facial treatment essence. Facial treatment essence is more for refreshment and rejuvenation of your skin. It helps to rebuild the freshness and it rejuvenates, and it just kind of gives you this instant, it's almost like a skin repair. You feel like every time you use it, it's repairing the skin cells. So that is what this does. So this is what I do after the toner. And then I got this serum from SK-II because, like I said, I had breakouts and I had really bad scarring. So this serum is bomb. Like, I can't even tell you how good this serum is. All my marks at that point had completely gone in 4 weeks of using this. So this comes in like a dropper, like this. So you just put a few drops and then massage it into your skin and you just sleep. So I usually do this before I go to sleep because I have a habit of having a shower in the night and in the morning as well. I don't really get the time to do all of this in the morning, but in the night I definitely do this. So this is a serum I use after I do the treatment essence application. So that's the serum for pigmentations, for blemishes, for scars, for acne scars, like not for like accident scars, but yeah, it takes care of all hyperpigmentations. And then I have this moisturizer from SK-II again. It's called the Radical New Age Essence. This is what the packaging looks like. This is a new packaging actually. The earlier one came in like a flat bottle, the same red color but a flat bottle. So this is a RNA Power Radical New Age Essence. And this moisturizer, guys, is life. Like, it is so good, I can't tell you. It is so light. It also comes in like a dropper kind of packaging. So I just like apply a couple of drops and I massage into the skin, and like, so remember guys, whenever you massage a moisturizer into your skin, I've seen girls just do this and go. No girl, you don't do that. You nicely massage it in upward direction, like you go along your contour lines and you just like make it tight. You don't do this. You're not a boy. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, this is the moisturizer I use. And I have a night cream as well, which is my under eye night cream. Now I don't really have dark circles as such, but I do have little under eye bag situation, which I deal with this little thing here. This is my eye cream and it takes care of dark circles and eye bags. I don't have dark circles, but it takes care of eye bags. So when I wake up in the morning, I feel so fresh and so beautiful. Just kidding. So that was my skincare routine. That is all from SK-II. Like, I can't live without these products. I just can't live without them. They are super expensive. If you Google them, you will know how expensive they are. I'm not trying to say that you need to buy expensive products to take your skin, but unfortunately, this is a thing that I've found for many years and it's worked, and I don't want to like look at anything else. I even tried Kiehl's, guys, by the way. I did like, so on my return from the US 2 years ago, this is before Singapore, I actually bought like a whole, like how you see this SK-II set with cleansing, toning, moisturizing, night cream, this, that and all that jazz. I had bought this whole set from Kiehl's, which is also not a bad brand at all. It's equally expensive, maybe a little less than this, but it is expensive as well. And I had such bad reaction. Like I had breakouts everywhere, and then under eye cream, I don't know what that cream was doing under my eyes overnight. Every next morning I used to have this area burning, like literally it had become so sensitive, this particular area. And I thought, why the hell is this happening to me? And then I realized I started this Kiehl's new skin care whatever, and I stopped using it and it was all gone. Like I had stopped breaking out and I had stopped having that sensitive skin issue. So after spending a lot of money, I've come to conclusion that SK-II is my badge and I'm not going to let go of it. For my body, I use this Nivea Sasta Sundar Tikau. Iska package bhi nahi nikla abhi tak. Anyway, so I use Nivea. This is, you can't go wrong with Nivea. I mean, can anyone go wrong with Nivea? I don't know. So this is a nourishing lotion body milk for very wet, for very dry skin. I do tend to have really dry skin on my legs, so that's why I like it. And this is the only thing I use all 365 days for my arms and for my legs, and you should try it too. Nivea. Now the next thing that I was going to talk about is, I told you I will give you an alternate for this toner from SK-II. Bioderma. How many of you use Bioderma? I don't know. I found this product in London many years ago. I don't know where is it from. Is it from London? I don't know. Made in France. So this is made in France. Bioderma is one of the really good brands in skincare. They make excellent products. And this is called Hydrabio H2O. So this is usually for cleansing, removing makeup and moisturizing also. And it's for sensitive dehydrated skin. So after you wash your face, if you use this, like I really use this, especially when I have acne. So SK-II does not really help you with prevention of acne. Let me tell you that. It does to an extent, like this toner does to an extent, but I would go one step ahead and use this toner if I have breakouts, because the next day, whatever there is an acne or a pimple or a breakout or a zit or whatever you want to call those bitches, the next day it's flat with this. Flat matlab it's not aggravated like to a point where it's fully like in your face. It kind of reduces in size. So Bioderma in blue. They have this pink as well. I have never used the pink one. This is super good for me because it's for sensitive dehydrated skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I like to use products that are for sensitive skin because they are less in chemicals and they are paraben free, and like, see, look, this is paraben free, so I like to use it, you know. I love using this Lotus D10 sun pack. This sun pack, what this does is, especially in summers, you will notice that despite using your sunscreen lotion, you still have little, like, your forehead may turn a little dark sometimes and like this unevenness. So what this sun pack does, it's a ready sun pack. Take it out of the tube and apply it to your face, leave it for 15 minutes and rinse it off. Especially if you have tan skin and uneven skin and all, it takes care of that. So this is what I use mostly in summers. Now I'm going to talk about something really special. I don't know why I'm talking like this today. I'm like super excited, like I'm in a very good mood, but okay, let's get to the point. So I recently found this brand on Instagram called Pure Suds. Okay, you can actually find her on Instagram, PURE_SUDS, Pure Suds. She is the brand is owned by Bhavna Doshi, and she's become like my Insta friend because I discovered her on Instagram. She makes handmade products, skincare products, that soaps, scrubs, face packs, gels, moisturizers, hand and foot cream. She makes them all by herself. The first thing that I'd love to talk about, it was in the fridge and it's kind of become wet now, the label, but I don't know if you can see. It's called Pure Suds. I'm going to zoom in for you. So this is Pure Suds, and this particular thing is called Choco and Coffee Face Scrub. So this is a ready scrub. It smells so good, guys. It smells divine. I can just eat it, you know, while I apply it. Like, I was so tempted to like put it in my mouth, but anyway, I'm not going to do that. So as we all know, coffee is a great detanner. Coffee, anything coffee scrub, coffee face pack, coffee, anything will just remove your tan. It's also good for cellulite, coffee. But I don't know how much this works on cellulite, but this coffee scrub literally like clears my skin. It just removes all the dead spots, dead skin, I mean dead cells, and I just feel like a layer of the dirt has gone off my skin every time I use this scrub. So you basically just apply it in round motion like that and wash it off. That's what you do with this. So this I basically do once in a week. So usually Sundays are my skincare days in terms of scrubs and packs and things like that. If you follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, it's in my description box, the IDs. If you follow me on Insta or on Snap, you will see my stories on Sunday are all about skincare. So I usually do this on Sundays, excuse me. The second thing that I like to do after scrubbing all the dirt off and all the dry skin off is use this blackout face gel pack. So of late, I don't know if you can see, I've got all these breakouts, like I'm breaking out as if I'm a bloody 12-year-old, I don't know. But this particular situation is more because I was down with flu last month, and I had these really strong antibiotics, and after I had them, I had all these crazy breakouts, and some of them haven't gone still, like maybe there were new ones, and there are a lot of marks, like this makeup on so you can't see, but there are a lot of marks. So I have been using this and this really helps, guys. This is called the Blackout Face Gel Pack. It is good for normal, combination, acne prone skin and oily skin types as well. So what I do nowadays with this is I sometimes even apply before I go to sleep. Like I leave it on for 15 minutes. I wake up, 15 minutes, I wash it, and then I go to sleep, and the next morning I actually see a difference in my skin. So this is great for acne prone skin, really oily skin, to get that oil in control, to get those acne marks out of the equation, because you don't need no acne marks and things like that. So another great product by Pure Suds. Way to go, Bhavna Doshi. Okay, the next one is called Lavender and Chamomile Face Pack. This is what it is. This pack smells so good. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you about the gel pack. Okay, if at all you order from her and if you apply it on your skin, this thing smells really different. It's got this different smell. Okay, it's got a very strong smell, but a nice strong smell, not a bad strong smell. And when you apply it, especially if you've scrubbed your skin before applying this, your skin will burn slightly. There'll be like a tingly burning sensation all over your skin. That will last you like for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that it will just feel extremely cool. Okay, so don't forget that. If you do buy this and try it out, you will have this experience. So don't freak out, and you don't need to freak out. I mean, they're all organic stuff. So yeah, this is a face pack that I got from her as well, Lavender and Chamomile. So sometimes if I don't have acne situation, I use this pack after the scrub. So either this combo or either this combo or this combo. So yeah, this is another great pack. It smells really good as well. Her products don't really smell so good. I can't tell you how good this smells. So that was my weekly skincare routines, and I use Pure Suds for that. these are things that I bought from the market and bought from like different places and things like that. But if you really want to do, if you're into DIY, like home remedies and stuff like that, for tan removing, I like besan, that is chickpea flour, yogurt, lime juice, and lots of turmeric. Make a paste out of it, apply it on your skin, leave it for 15 minutes, wash it off. Great for detanning. I mean, you don't need any of these if you're into DIY. Another thing, a great scrub for your skin is honey and brown sugar. So mix honey and brown sugar, make it like a really coursey thing, like a coursey gel, and just apply it all over your skin, scrub it, you know, especially the roughness over here on your elbows, on your knees. Just scrub it when you are in shower and just wash it off, and you will have smooth silky skin. What else I can tell you? Aloe vera. Instead of going to the market and buying aloe vera, you can just take like the real aloe, cut it, slit it in the center, and just apply directly on your face. It's great for your skin. I mean, we all know how good aloe vera is for your skin. So these are some of the DIYs. Sorry, I was distracted. So these are some of the DIYs that you can do at home by yourself and take care of your skin. The honey and brown sugar scrub is also very good for your lips. So if you have chapped lips, if you have really dry lips, cracked lips, you can just scrub your lips with that, like massage that sugar into your skin. The sugar should like dissolve while you massage it, and wash it off and apply coconut oil, or you know, दूध के ऊपर मलाई होती है, you know, there's little fat in that malai. Apply that on your lips and see how beautifully soft they'll be the next morning. So, or obviously then you have your chapsticks and lip balms and things like that. I mean, if you don't want to, if you're not into milk creams and things like that. I think I mostly covered everything. Do you think I missed out on anything? That's pretty much everything that I use for my skin. Like, I'm not into 120 things for my skin. That is all I have. Like, you go into my bedroom, you check out, there won't be a single extra bottle other than this. So that's all I do for my skin, guys. And I'm not saying I have the best skin in the world, but I'm pretty happy with my skin. And this is the secret for it. I hope this video was helpful, and that you got some perspective on how to take care of your skin and what kind of products you can buy and things like that. That's it from now. I know past couple of videos have been more chatty videos where I'm talking more than actually doing stuff on my face. So maybe the next video I may just do like a really nice makeup tutorial. If there's a particular makeup look that you would like to watch on my channel, do leave your suggestions in the suggestions. Next time I plan to do like a really nice something like on my face, like actually do makeup and show you, because I've been doing too many chatty videos. So yeah, leave your suggestions, and I will maybe choose one of your suggestions. I don't know why I can't say that word today. Anyway, so that's it from me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video today. Do check out the description box in case I've missed anything. That is where I would have mentioned it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. I think that's it for now. And if you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And yeah, that's it for now. Until next time, stay safe, be happy and take care of yourself. Bye guys.